Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 blank Get-Help app window problem. First method is type Get-Help in Windows search bar, right-click Get-Help, click App Settings. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is update Windows. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.